And I miss you.
What's up, No Pros? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you a list of 5 things that I found that I didn't like with the Fast and the Furious RC. So let's get started. Number one is the speed. I think it's kind of slow and it could be a little bit faster, but with the turbo boost button you can kind of kick it in gear and that helps you do drifts. So yeah. Number 2, the steering response seems to be delayed. You know, like when you're steering the car and you're trying to do a drift, but if you make a mistake and you want to correct it, say like if I'm driving and I'm doing a drift and I'm going to hit the curb, and when I try to correct it, there's a slight delay and then it's like too late, and then you hit the curb and yeah, it's over. Number 3 is that it doesn't have any springs on it. I don't know if this is a big deal, but like if you wanted to jump the RC, you know, do some other stunts other than drifting, and you really can't because it'll just bottom out and probably break it. So it would be nice if it had some springs, but maybe I'm just being a little bit picky. I don't know. I'm trying to find some things that I don't like about this RC because it's really not that many. So I don't have number 4, number 5 because the RC, in my opinion, it's great. It's great for 40 bucks. The USB you can charge in like 10 to 15 minutes and then you're right back out there drifting again. It'll be so much fun if you had a bunch of people just out there drifting, maybe like a little bumper cars type drift thing. So I really recommend you get it for the beginner RC that's trying to drift. Just 40 bucks at Walmart. They probably have it on Amazon. I'm not sure. If they do, I'll drop a link down in the description below. But yeah, I could only find 3 things that was wrong with it. And they're probably just being a little bit picky things because I'm really trying hard to find something wrong with it. And I really had a tough time because, you know, for the price, it's awesome. It's very fun. Like, I think they're really the thing of, you know, the speed. Yeah, it could be a little bit faster and the response time could be a little bit better, but other than that, I'm just being picky. That's why I can only come up with 3 things instead of 5. So if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the No Pros channel. Like this video, comment. If you have a Fast and Furious Drift RC, let me know how you like it and some of the things that you may not like that I didn't pick up on. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and y'all be easy. Peace. Let's get some driving.